Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Kritika Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make paneer paratha which is very healthy and tasty. So basically I am using here multigrain atta. It is a mixture of whole wheat, oats, ragi and many other healthy fiber. So I am taking 2 to 3 cups of multigrain atta and we need to make a soft dough with the help of warm water. So here our soft dough is ready. Now you just have to keep it aside for some time. So this is paneer. I have taken Ananda paneer which is easily available in the market and we just have to grate it. You have to be very careful while grating. Here our grated paneer is ready. Now we have to add some spices. First of all I have taken turmeric powder. Now I will add some red chili powder. Red chili powder should be more. Then coriander powder, dhania ka powder and then jeera powder or cumin seed powder and then amchur powder or raw mango powder. Now I have taken black pepper powder. You can add, or if you are making for children just skip it because we have to add green chili also. So after that salt according to taste, and this is all that spices we are having. And now we have to add some ajwain. You just have to crush it well and then add ajwain. And now some vegetables. I'm going to add chopped onion as well as chopped ginger and green chilies. So the final ingredient of this mixture is fresh coriander leaves. Just add them. Before this mixture, we have to knead the dough really very well to make it super soft. So here atta is ready. Now we have to just mix all the ingredients very well. So our mixture is ready. Now pinch 2 small balls from the dough and roll them in your palms to make them even. Now dust some flour on the dough balls. Now with the help of thumb, press inside and make this type of shape. You have to place the paneer stuffing into it. Now add the mixture. Don't underfill or overfill with the stuffing, because if you overfill the stuffing then it can come out while rolling. On the other hand, if you underfill the stuffing then you get less taste of paneer stuffing and more of the dough. So this much is enough. If you are a beginner then you can add less. Cover the mouth and then press and seal the edges to close the layers. Now sprinkle some flour and roll the stuffed paratha. Now heat a tawa and then place the rolled paratha on it. The tawa should be hot. If you want to check the heat, just sprinkle a pinch of whole wheat flour on the tawa. If the whole wheat flour becomes brown in some seconds, the tawa is hot enough to roast the paratha. Now add some butter. You can add ghee or you can also take refined oil. So now flip the paratha. Press the edges of the paratha with the spatula so that the edges are cooked. A well stuffed and rolled paratha will puff off slightly while cooking. Flip once or twice till the paratha has a golden spots and is evenly cooked. If you have to serve it later, place the paneer paratha in a roti basket or casserole to keep it soft for a long time. So the paratha is ready. Now we will follow the same process in other parathas also. So let me show you how this stuffed paratha look like. So delicious. Now you can add here some extra butter or you can have it with dahi. If you like the video, please hit like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet and share. Bye bye.